Good evening, everyone. Today, we're going to create our own e-portfolio on the Google Sites website. First, you're going to do is to go on sites.google.com. Sites Google. Either you try to tap it on the website's research or just in Google. Here, normally, if you have any e-portfolios or anything shared, they're going all to show up in this page. As in mine is totally new, so I have none, only those that I try to create first. If you want to create your own portfolio, go to the blank one to create a new one, or use the portfolio sample from Google. For me, I just did the create normal one, simple, so you can add anything you want from your own creativity. Once you enter this page, you created your own site. First of all, that you have to do is to title your e-portfolio. The basic strategy to do is based on your name, either your last name, then e-portfolio, uh, or to make it very simple, you can only use your names and initials, as in your first, middle, and last name. Hold on. Oh my god. This is a lot of work. Okay. Portfolio. What you have to do is only after to fill out the other informations. As in your page title, obviously it's going to be as in my e-portfolio. Okay. Then you have to fill up here the pages that you're going to create, which has names other than just number of pages. Go to click the pages button, then go to the plus button. Don't create on new menu section or new link, create new page. Here you're going to have to title your page name, as in probably vision. The first one is going to be your home page, then vision page, or whatever you want to name it. Probably portfolio or resume. Then there could be articles as well. It depends on what you want to add in your portfolio. As in, you go to home, you want to if you want to change your header type, you can also put a cover. You can change your image, either upload it from your photos that you already have in your laptop, or you can select from Google. I prefer to select it from Google. They're more, as I think, professional or something, and way too easy. Um, let's put at this one, for example. Okay. And of course, you can change the design here. Okay. You can also change your header type, as in large, banner, normal one, only title, only the cover as home. You can put it all in cover, but I prefer the banner one, the normal one. After that, you can also select the theme of your home page or the whole e-portfolio thing. Here there are like many samples of the colors, way of the theme, writing, typing. Okay, let's choose this one, for example. Okay. As in the content of your e-portfolio, you have a lot of content blocks, and you can choose whether everyone, and import the pictures that you're going to need, and then you're going to edit your text and fill out your informations, your personal informations, which is very easy to do actually. I honestly am being super stressed about this. I didn't know how to start, from where to start, and what to do, but it turned out to be very easy. You just have to create, um, as in if you're going to create from a PowerPoint project, but it's just going to be more professional for an e-portfolio where you go in to talk about yourself and your personal experiences and something like that, or what you're really interested in. Okay, then I guess that's it. Here is what you decide to upload from. For example, if you have certain files that are already in your device and you want to upload them here at the end. I don't have any, so let's just skip this part. Okay, so basically at the end, when you're going to finish to create your portfolio, you would want to, of course, share it with your professor or anyone you want to share with. So you're going to click on this button, which share with others. Here it's going to load, and you're going to add the people or the groups. For example, okay, so this is my other account, and if I want to share it, I'll just click the names to the people I want to share with. Also, another information: if you happen to change something in, um, okay, it's okay. If you happen to want to change something in your portfolio or anything, and you already shared it with someone here, you have to reshare it again, because they have to see the changes that occurred to your design and everything. So whenever you changed anything on your design, reshare it. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it, basically. And I hope you find this very useful. Or if you have any questions, please do ask. Thank you so much.